Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad AMSYAR bin Ahmad FAUZI and I'm from class 6C. So today I would like to talk about materials in motorsports, which is I choose MotoGP. To start with, the material and mechanical requirement and properties for this sport, which is uh, it is suggested to have high abrasion resistance, impact damping, low coefficient of friction, high thermal conductivity, specific strength, and tensile strength. Next, we move to the first one, which is enhancements of performance. So for the material, as we see in the pictures, it is a wheels that belongs to MotoGP bike. So for the material, we are suggested to use magnesium alloy with aluminum and zinc. How can this material increase the performance? Which is the magnesium alloys for wheels, rims reduce unspring mass because magnesium alloys is a lightweight materials and it's allow the bike to change direction much faster and improving acceleration. Okay, next we move to enhancements of safety. We are choosing racing suit. Why? Because as you know, MotoGP rider they racing suits have integrated airbag system, which is they are using high tenacity polyamide nylon as materials. This airbag system helps MotoGP rider to survive after a big or crash impact because it uses accelerometers and gyroscopes to detect a crash, which is whenever the rider falls or having a big crash, the integrated airbag system will automatically inflate in milliseconds using carbon dioxide canisters to protect the rider's collarbones and ribcage before they even hit the ground. Next, enhancements of comfort. I'm choosing kangaroo leathers. As we know, racing suits are made up of many types of materials. They have cowhide, kangaroo leather, and others. So why we are choosing kangaroo leathers? Because it is thinner compared to cowhide. Then it is stronger than cowhide and provide a second feel skin. And it also gives the rider better feel for the bikes while reducing fatigue. As we know, if using uncomfortable racing suit or materials, because as we know in motorbikes or MotoGP race, they will have to finish around 21 laps, which is almost hour of non-stop racing. They need to have a really comfortable racing suit to reduce fatigue and tiredness. Next, suitable materials and justification. So racing suit, the most suitable materials I think is kangaroo leather because of the structure is highly uniform fiber architecture with very little fat content compared to cowhide. Next, the properties, it offers 10 times the tensile strength of cowhide at half the thickness and it is incredibly abrasion resistant and lightweight. And the processing for this material, which is manufactured by chemical vapor deposition, which is known as CVD, and a process where carbon gas is deposited into a preform over several months in high heat kilns. And then next, for the wheels of the bikes, of course, we know we are using magnesium alloy with aluminum and zinc. Why? Because of the structure, a fine grained, refined crystalline structure achieved through the forging process. This is eliminates internal voids and porosity common in cast metals. And the properties of this material, which is high specific strength and it have excellent ductility. And last but not least, the processing. A solid billet is compressed under 10,000 tons of pressure, aligning the metal's grain with the shape of this box. Last but not least, future trends. The sustainability and technology for these motorsports. As we know, MotoGP are aiming to having 100% non-fossil fuel by 2027, and then are suggesting using natural fiber aerodynamics, and last but not least, active smart protection for the future suits for the safety of the rider. That's all from me, and thank you.